Last week was Bartender down a town. This week is Bartender in a halfway tree. Are you ready? Let's do this.
Make sure you put on my mask.
Yo, out here, I put on my mask. I'm gonna be a Ninja Turtle today. Ready?
We have this bad show on YouTube. Come on, every Sunday name the Bartender. It's full of one bag of laughter and excitement. I swear, me not lie.
You know how long me not do this? You know how long me not do this? Bless up, driver. Yes, sir. Long time me not do that something, I know. What more?
That's why I'm gonna buy my car, because when I have cars, I don't know about public transportation anymore. I'm a scooter, I'm gonna buy a car.
Daddy, we're shopping it. The real drama there. Yeah, it's drama one.
Cool on, man. One and only DB, you hear that?
Browning
Cool on,
there.
you know the shop, but
Browning, your shop, your bar. Browning. No.
It's a goodie there.
yeah.
No.
They know the name of one.
Hold on, I'm watching that. I mean, first I watch it, when I start watching my family start watching that.
They say you're the first person to start watching.
Start watching that nothing.
Alright.
Thing up, man, you see me?
Alright, say I
Keep
watch
up the good work.
Alright.
Can't say guava and pass guava. You know what I mean? I never say Mava, I say guava. Blessed my Lord.
Yeah,
Respect, yeah?
On YouTube, the Bartender.
Yeah,
Be excitement, me say.
be excited.
Just comment and tell me what you think. I mean,
Where the bar are there? Where I find this bar?
Alright.
YouTube, man, it's a series.
YouTube.
It's a-
Alright,
it's a
big
show.
up, respect. Schoolboy said that.
What one? Seven of the least make him watch it. Like, I love to everybody name. It's on YouTube. It's up on YouTube. It's not hard to find, man. If you go on YouTube and type in expression, you're good. The young people, them like, them just up to date. Everybody know the Bartender. Everybody agree to it. So the vibe was awesome.
You know, honestly, the show, it have a buzz so far. You know, it's fun and it's a one with that thing. You see me I say? I swear to God, it's a one with that thing. So them need to just continue. Just do nothing, you see me? Yeah, man. Bartender.
Who introduced you to it?
Look at niece. Shante, big up yourself, Shante.
Store over here, so I have a big fan over there. Every time I go in there, I could have masked them to the teeth. You know what I'm doing.
You know the Bartender expression girls them there and on the bar thing, you know, every Sunday at 6 p.m. the Bartender.
The brother see we are forward and the selector just realized right away say expressions and a Bartender crew and yeah man and the girls them just get mad and then you know say dog bed him is a you know what I mean him have a chip.
Go over to the friend and say, in here for the good things them there, yeah?
So you get to dance with a fan.
Yeah, man, I think, no man, AC me dance with. We are talk about fun. AC. Cola man. You don't know the vibes already, you know. Who gonna say that baby?
Junior Browning, aka DB. Yeah, I sing the song when he Dog Bed.
Dog bed. It's the baddest dog I know.
Yeah.
Tell a friend, tell a friend.
What you want episode? You see, I'm a 7-year-old daughter, love her. That's how she was smell. I smell, so she out and I saw me come out here.
Hey,
Yeah, me smell.
she smells the vibe out here. That's why she's out here.
I'm out here.
Yeah, girl, you see.
You Browning. What good is it? What was all over the woman, man. See there?
And my man
I just feel of him.
Exactly. Goodness speak for itself.
The best thing for it is the show keep doing this. Every day, every hour, every time it just keep doing this. You know, and people just love the vibe because what we do just change the mood for people every day. It's so I have to love and respect that.
But like the the show for too nice. Watch a whole episode, but me wait on season 4 will come right out. Yeah.
They must be follow follow everybody.
Yeah, follow everybody.
Everybody YouTube.
And big up Harville. Big up Harville. A good show. How do you tell the girl if I take my money in a Harville? Feel so.
We're here with Anisha, and she's the owner of Intimate Curves, Shop 5A, Clock Tower Plaza. So the ladies, them with them nice curvaceous body, and all of them are too curvaceous. The bar them set away, them going to the curves them, and all these things. So show us some of the show with the best seller.
Well, people like one piece, which is over here, but then you have other people who like 2 piece. So we have these with the belt. What it does, it brings in the waist, so it cinch you right here.
Yeah, the shape, so you shape like.
No, everybody likes to show a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. We specialize in swimwear, lingerie, you know, sleepwear, little dresses here and there.
If you go in to the hotel,
Like resort wear.
Yeah, the resort wear.
there's the maxi dresses.
Sunday ice cream.
My behavior here.
Yourself.
My behavior share.
I'm just
Yeah.
And this all my baby share that one year because I like go out and I like be festive and all kind of nastiness. The look but don't touch, right? That's all the one thing. I might own that. I like show but I know you touch me. I think them bad, me like them. Fear think them look but don't touch. I fear think that me I'll buy because I have one plan next week because I want pop, you know, one place.
So wanna see? Look, you know.
Yeah.
I go see me.
Very affordable. Intimate Curves, very affordable. So the swimsuit ranges from
2,500 to 4,000.
2,500 to 4,000. We don't go 5,000.
Right.
2,500 to 4,000. The lingerie price?
We have from 1,500 to 3,500.
And I try. Make sure you make my bartender.
Who am I wear this for? Dog Bed, Carlton, or the lawyer? Comment down below.
See if
So people sleeping on them?
And then the fringe out.
Girl, it's not for sleeping.
And then there's no
entertainment. It's not for sleeping. It's for putting on and go with yourself and make him drop a seat before you.
This one is called Entertainment. You notice it's crotchless. Entertainment, right? Show something for the Christian ladies, them now. I remember so have nice Christian people watch the bartender, so them want, you know, the kind of spice in the bedroom, but not too. So show me a nice looking nightie.
Ah, there we go. Nice.
So it comes with a panty. And this is only 1,500.
Wow.
Yes.
Only 15. So this is for the Christian ladies who, you know, are kind of shy. So you reveal and, you know, not too much. Like, you know, so you have to do the things them for your husband same way. So you say anytime when you see me come out, you have to ask if I want to fit them swimsuit, my van, or them lingerie. Or yourself, look out feet.
One to one, no. One to one, me I can see. One to one. Give me the.
So you know, once me hear music, my body have to move. My body have to move.
To the right, to the left, and to the right, to the left. Hey, bartender, the bartender, the bartender, the bartender. Every Sunday, at 6 p.m. Right there, son. Right there, son. Right.
Yeah, that was spontaneous and a mad kind of energy.
After that, every Sunday.
I'm lucky to point in a minute when I'm tired. Yeah, come here tell you, it's up and be some something. It's got you nice. Try you know one of the series, then watch the episode.
Where think go bartender? Talk up now the video now. I
like
light.
Yeah, and him.
Who you like?
Come this side.
The girl, TC.
Hi. What you like the most? You like when we beat her though? That part everybody love.
You like TC?
When me and 5 beat her.
And my daughter want me start watch it. I'm here so no sir.
Is there any scene your ex you really like?
Yes, she. Are you? A brown in the name?
Right there, so.
Brownie.
Yeah.
For people man. Right.
Mr. Right there.
Come on for this time.
Hear me what you do for me.
Me, you know what I can't see you.
She like.
Now show you.
Check for people, man.
Just this, sir. You see my name?
Yeah.
Groups. This is my group name.
Take with people, man.
Everybody have them name on them WhatsApp when we're really for them name. The girl name, I take with people, man.
Yeah, take with people, man.
Yes.
All over the world, everybody know that. England, Belgium, every country, me take with every girl, man. Every girl, man.
I put that down.
Of course.
Yeah, girl.
Now, but I send him on and I take forever. I send back home, you know.
Take him and send him home. But like P,
Pick up yourself. Me can't laugh me say that you're going with yourself at the anthem that for 2020, 2022 don't sing, 2021. Take people, man, and give them back when you're done with them.
no, man. You see, them I was just a bartender. It's a real life show. So we might have it to say we are entertaining people, but in truth and fact, it's almost like we're reliving some people's life.
So what would you tell like other people that hasn't seen the bartender as yet?
So them need to watch it more while my ball. When she did pies when we start crying.
Oh God.
When you get the beef up and the scissors drop the set. When we see her go down with the scissors in your waist and say, yeah, you go up there now, yeah. When we see the scissors drop and you run, girl, but you just say, really? She can't fight.
So which one of them are bartender? Isn't it? She's still in the back. Are you on him?
Original baby. We are the hot cola, man.
Jackie, man, I hear that. For real, man. Big up the thing, man. Come watch the thing in the blood. You hear that? Real talk, man.
More like
What you know, you cannot do that. What you do? I smell people, man.
We will show from 1 to 6.
oh, you hear that? From 1 to 6. For them show.
Leave him alone.
What you do?
Leave him alone.
Leave him alone.
You see? You see? There's so much I wanna. There's so much I wanna tell you. Give him a chance. You hear that?
Yeah.
They want me to get back. They want me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want me to get back. Why? Why?
Have a better one.
You go over this story.
Good man. I'm in name. I'm in name Puppy Bed then.
Goody love me now?
What did I say?
Yeah, she doesn't go on like she don't love me. You hear that? Goody love me, but she doesn't go on like she don't love me.
Brother. We know you love soup and same frequency, but you watch this? We know you love soup and that too. Did you watch it?
No, Dayla tell me about it. It was the day before yesterday. On YouTube. No, she just tell me about it.
The friendship over just so you know?
No, well, me just hear about it.
You just hear about
it.
Okay.
I mean, say it good.
So Saturday when we see him, if you can say what all the whole season 1 goes, that's alone. That's how far we give you.
Season 1 shot.
Season 1.
One shot.
Okay.
Pick up.
Hey, then get me hook on the thing, you know that. Me nah lie. Hey, I want to do it. Our sister, protective her back. Big dancer. Yeah. No, man, she a big actress more than dancer. Me nah, no man, trust me. She's good. And she a good dancer. No, me know she body night dance, no, but she mix up body night show. Right and the
Can you tell your kids them watch it? Everybody else here watch it as well?
Well, not well. We get some of my friends and start watching. Cause they catch me in the office. I watch it at daytime. Hey,
What's
bad.
your favorite character?
Your sister. That's true. Me love 5, you know. But no matter what, our sister mix up bad.
That's right here, sir.
Trust me.
And do me one small favor. Just tell the people them outside, when you watch it yet, tell them what you want to tell them.
Listen to me. On a happy tune into the Bartender series. It's big, it's bad. Full of mix up, full of drama, full of reality, full of everything. Tune into the show, it's nice.
The Bartender on YouTube.
Bartender.
Yeah, man. Just look on Expressions JA. Yeah, man, and just watch what I want.
So this is a YouTube series that we do. We have 3 series now. So just go on YouTube and type in the Bartender. You go see all the way.
Expressions JA and look for the Bartender on YouTube. Trust me, it's a very nice little serious comedy. So nobody feel like you go see no slack or you know for see and whatever, because kids watch it also.
Okay,
yeah. So me and 5 have this local talking. So anytime we see nobody and we say watch the Bartender and them say no, get out of look of pride. They have no look of pride. And anytime what happens, no look of pride. No look of pride.
With what?
No look of pride.
With what?
No look of pride.
I tell the people them say, look out, you don't know where we'll be next. Just listen out, check the YouTube page, and you will hear where we're going to go next. But we definitely, the plan is to have a all-island bartender tour. So look out, people. We miss Bubbles on the road, we miss Shappy on the road with the butt. You know, so we have to represent for them, see?
So you know I am a newly entrepreneur and I have these tights. So it's my own little creation that I did and it comes in different designs, but I just choose to wear this one. And also the shirt that you guys see Goody wearing with Virgin, that's mine as well. So if you see what you like, you can go over to my Instagram page, which is specialblack_tees. That's TEEZ. And tell me what you like, DM me for ask me the price, DM me. Purchases is very affordable and I know I'm not gonna like it.
Good evening, sweetheart.
Good evening.
My name is Dwight. I'm a barber at York Barbers. When you wear your eyebrows or cut your hair, you can come see me. 34 years of practice, and I do designs. I specialize in designs, and you name it.
And you don't put the part of the lay down like this?
Yes, make it lay down like my one.
And we say we're that loader.
York Barbers.
They come right when you
Dwight.
They come right over there, come look for you.
Alright, baby.
I'm ready for touch up that side there. Put it on that side here.
Anything.
You have my card, Dwight?
No, not right now. I can't leave you the number though. 4860560.
Right here.
Alright.
Bartender, no just subscribe. Tell a friend. Tell your friend. And your friend. Tell another friend. But it go on and on and on and on. Just subscribe to the Bartender and tune in every Sunday at 6 p.m.